Chapter 3, Sum number 16. Kavita is a partner in the firm. She withdraw rupees 2500 for month ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. For month னா 12ஆல நம்ம multiplication பண்ணணும். Regularly, interest on drawings is charged at 4% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings using the average period if his draw at the beginning of every month, in the middle of every month, at the end of the every month. எப்படி calculate பண்றதுன்றத பார்க்கலாம். Calculation the interest on drawings. The total amount of withdrawn கண்டுபிடிக்க 2500 into 12 months calculate பண்ணா 30,000 வருது. First one calculated if the drawings are made at the beginning of every month ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Every monthக்கு beginning of every month average period 6.5 month. Interest on drawing calculate பண்ற total amount of drawing into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. இப்போ 30,000ல 4%, 30,000 into 4 divided by 100 into 6.5 month divided by 12 calculate பண்ணா rupees 650 வருது. Second one in calculating if drawings are made in the middle of every month, middle of the every month average period 6 month. Interest on drawing format total amount of drawing into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. If they calculate பண்ணும்போது 30,000 into 4%, 4 divided by 100 into 6 divided by 12 equal to rupees calculate பண்ணா 600 rupees வருது. Third one, if drawings are made at the end of every month, end of the every month average period 5.5 month. Interest on drawings equal to total amount of drawings into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. இப்போ calculate பண்ணோம்னா 30,000ல 4%, 4 divided by 100 into average period 5.5 divided by 12 இதை calculate பண்ணா 550 வருது. இந்த சம் இதோட முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.